Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to check the photos you've liked on Instagram. First of all, you click on the Instagram app. You'll be provided with 5 icons below. You click on the last icon that contains your profile picture, and here you click on the 3 dashes, which is at the top right. You click on your activity, which is your second option here. And then you click on interactions, which is the third option here. You click on likes, and there you have it, the list of pictures and videos you've liked on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.